Yesterday was a day that brought across a fresh setback to Rahul Gandhi when the Gujarat High Court refusing to stay his conviction in the defamation case for saying that सारे चोर आजकल क्या मोदी क्यों होते हैं. Now the order basically means that Rahul Gandhi will remain disqualified from the Lok Sabha because of the 2-year maximum sentence that has been awarded to him. Interestingly, the court also in upholding the sentence called the conviction as just, proper and legal, saying that the grounds for seeking a stay were not existent. Now just stopping short of calling the former Congress party president as a repeat offender, the court also spoke of the need of purity in politics and reminded how there were at least 10 criminal cases against Rahul Gandhi, including a defamation case filed by the grandson of V.D. Savarkar. Now, which is why the court concluded saying the refusal to stay the conviction would not in any way result in injustice to the applicant and a stay on the conviction is not a rule. However, soon after the Congress party hit the streets across the country protesting against alleged fascism and also getting support from the other opposition parties, all of them who had the same charge saying that justice and presumably the courts are now being subverted by the Modi government. Those are the charges that they are now even making against the courts of the country.
मैं समझता हूं निराशाजनक जरूर है, लेकिन अप्रत्याशित नहीं है, अनएक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है कि जो ये याचक हैं, शिकायत करता है, वो खुद कैसे मानहानि के शिकार हुए, ये कृपया बताया जाए.
We are not surprised with the verdict of the Gujarat High Court. This is to be expected.
It is very unfortunate that justice has not been prevailed. It is a murder of democracy. But still, the entire country, all the opposition parties and the people of this country stand by Rahulji.
Well, despite the court ruling, the opposition parties have squarely blamed the BJP, saying that it is destroying the democratic social structure and the fabric of the country by subverting the courts. And this is where, however, the BJP has also been reacting to the same, calling it nothing but a legal process that is being followed, and BJP has got nothing to do with it.
For defamation cases, the penalty punishment given to Rahul Gandhi was probably the highest in the last 100 years. I would certainly say that these kind of judgments don't give a very positive sense of judicial architecture.
लोकतंत्र बीजेपी कहाँ देख रही है? लोकतंत्र तो बीजेपी खत्म कर रही है. बीजेपी अगर रहेगा कुछ दिन तो इस देश में तानाशाही लागू हो जाएगा.
BJP meanwhile hitting out, lashing out at Rahul Gandhi, calling him a serial offender who has irresponsible arrogance. Let's listen into the former Union Minister.
अगर 10-10 आपके खिलाफ डिफेमेशन के मामले चलते हैं, आप सावरकर को कुछ भी बोल देंगे, आप संघ के बारे में क्या-क्या टिप्पणी नहीं करेंगे, आप आर्मी के खून की दलाली का हिसाब मांगेंगे, आप चुनाव आयोग को क्या नहीं बोलेंगे, आप मीडिया को बिका हुआ बोलेंगे, भारत में लोकतंत्र खत्म हो गया बोलेंगे, तो ये तो सुपर सीरियल ऑफेंडर हैं जहां तक अब्यूज का सवाल है. दिस इज, आई वुड से, इररिस्पॉन्सिबल एरोगेंस.
राहुल गांधी जी के विषय पर उन्होंने जो व्यक्ति जाति विशेष पर और टिप्पणी की है, तो पूरे समाज पर टिप्पणी की है, जो कि अशोभनीय था. कोर्ट ने उनको सजा दी है, उनको स्वीकार नहीं है, लेकिन उनका अधिकार भी था कि हाईकोर्ट में जाना चाहिए. हाईकोर्ट में गए हैं, हाईकोर्ट से अगर खारिज हुई है तो कोर्ट ने उचित माना होगा और उसको खारिज किया है. उनकी जो एप्लीकेशन थी उसको सरकार ने नहीं माना, कोर्ट ने नहीं माना, तो इसका अर्थ ये है कि कानून सबके लिए एक जैसा है,